Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Batho ba re ba Limpopo dumelang. I don't mean to be disrespectful really now, but I'm just concerned of what is happening in Limpopo. I'm not a politician, and I hate being involved in politics, but le ampazamisha. You are saying some, not most, some are saying abanyage march to chase the foreigners away. But you know Limpopo it's a rural place. Even ko Polokwane ko Tropo, e dutse godimo ga a rural place, guys. That little jobs tse di leng gona ne, they are all occupied by foreigners. Those jobs are all occupied by foreigners. But you lenali ntwela ya gore ba re lena a lenya ko madi. Come on, guys. Are skira ba le a blind raba batho ba le ba the blind loyalty. We can exactly see the sitting government, the current administrator, is doing nothing for batho ba Limpopo, particularly Limpopo, Northwest, Mpumalanga. These provinces are voting for ANC each and every year. Mara tlhabologo ya rena bafethu e salfase go ka cheka di rural area tša rena e a sokola most. Mara ka mo rena we are not going to merge, we are not going to allow Jacinta and his comrades to come in Limpopo. Come on, mibereko nyane menyane ye leng gona e tšere ke the foreigner, ye re reng ke di contractors. The same politicians ba Limpopo bontate le mang wa minister ba le mama mayor wa mp bontate mp ba tšea di mp and his crew ba tšea those contractors ba di fa the same foreigners jwanong batho ba yo kry-a sepane ka diplase tše re tšwang thoko tša bo ka mothoko tša borena bo groblersdal bo marbleholo bo kwa bo sekumane go subelela ka kwa go ya bo leboeng di occupied ke ma-foreigners. Di resort tše di tletseng around Limpopo di occupied ke ma-foreigners. But you come in public gore batho ba Limpopo, come on bafethu kante rena re jwang gore ke cheka di-tendera tše di leng gona ka mo jwano e sano ba tribalism go ka cheka batho ba ba tšereng di-tendera ka mo ba bolela polelo one. I once organized the security industry mengwaganyanela kwa morago kwa those companies very occupied ke tribe one ya ba vendor and the Tsongas. Why? Come on bafowethu man, are nke re yeng mo phefo yang batho ba Limpopo batho ba geso. I'm challenging you gore a ke tsebe gore re itira o ka re bafowethu, come on. The rural people are voting for the ANC each and every time, but ntwele ba direlang yona ke nkare a gone ditsela a gone selo nna ebile geso mo ke tswang most services tše ke di kry-a from ka Mpumalanga ye e leng gore ke yona ya go mpha metsi le motlakase ka 1992. Limpopo Limpopo le palela ke go hlokomela batho ba ba leng sešego ba ba leng kgauswi le mola go bo molepo go tune ga Mamabolo. Come on guys man, come on bafowethu a re nyako le bolela ka maina mara Limpopo ke re tsogeng a re no bitšang those guys, those Zulu guys to come and show us gore dilo di dirwa jwang. Motho o re you are not too welcome in Limpopo. O dirang gore o change go Limpopo. If these foreigners can go over for it, mo economy ya batho ba o empower it oketsega go di rural areas because the plus it occupy like those foreigners. Okay, a le nya go latela molao re bojeng di politicians tse rena di a pallwa mapodisa rena a pallwa ba tša tšotso ba distributor di drugs le di tšiso rena a re nyake mazulu ka Limpopo mazulu we must just be honest. South Africa in most times e lwela ke bomang mpotšeng mpetuleng a lena la tena
Hey, siyazizwa indaba enganza ukuthi siyazizwa indaba. Ila ubona khona ukuthi into mayingekho ayikho. Yona mangabe usewumholi usaphambana nevi kumele wazi ukuthi kahle umsebenzi wakho awukho. Kunenkulumo ke yakhulunywa leNkuzimalanga le. Ibhekise kule. Leni iphendulile kodwa mayiphendula iyayiphendula ngesisoka uyabona umuntu akushaye ngesisoka lena ithi kunjengomuntu ozobe sasuka aphume nje athi ibutho ahambe nalo eyela yakhona lisebenzisa ibutho ngendlela yakhe ibutho elenkosi ibutho linomdidiyelo walo ibutho liphakwa inkosi nje wara into enjalo asiphendula-ke inkalakatha yathi cha iyabona impela ithegiwe ukuthi nangu umuntu ekuhlasela yathi cha hayi lo muntu enganza ukuthi bengahlaseli mina la bantu engibathathayo ngihamba nabo mina ngithatha iy'nsizwa angithathi lona ibutho linomdidiyelo yalo ibutho elenkosi mina la bantu engihamba nabo ziyinsizwa akusilona ibutho sule nkulumo beyikhuluma bengayibhekisile kumina umphendule kahle futhi le ndoda ibikhuluma iqiniso mangabe ithi ibutho linomdidiyelo ibutho liphakwa inkosi nalela futhi yamvumela athi cha nsizwa hayi uqinisile mawusonjalo mhlonishwa futhi imbiza umhlonishwa uyayibona indaba la ikhona lo ubeyigenti lo uthatha ibutho akathi cha lona akathatha ibutho uthatha iy'nsizwa lona ubethu ugadla la kanti la ugadla ngqondo ugadla ngensizweni eyelusa ugadla ensizweni eyakhula labafana ugadla ensizweni ekhona la ugadla kumuntu ayaziyo ukuthi into yenzayo nabe ngizothi wenkalakatha le awukubiza ibutho lelo ukulibiza ubothi khona nwede ozoza noma kuzoza labantu babeni basebenzisayo kwezepolitiki ubize nje yedwa noma ukulibize cha ibutho uyalicela ukubona lelo butho uzolibona awukwazi ukuthi umuholi phambane neviyo ngeke lapho sichemela naye inkalakatha manje cheme nje udede noma usungathini manje asezwa lutho ayikho into esayizwa uma uthi ukhuluma nje ngomphakela umthakathi asezwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu amasezwa lutho ngisusungathini asisezwa impela asisezwa ngithola inkumbi ibhekise kuye noma bathi siyazi ukuthi ubibhekise kuye noma yena ekuphendulile ngesisoka sakhe ngendlela akuphendule ngayo cha ubungabhekise kuye ngoba ngithatha insizweni akathathanga ibutho asizwa impela asizwe uma uthi ufuna ukubiza akubiza wona abantu mungababiza manje ngathi bengeza kuwe ngayiwa amakhosi ngoba ayithulele vese awasho lutho ayinto njengathi shiwathula awasho lutho ungayibizela wona amakhosi uyibuze nabantu bakho bepolitiki thina sisezwa ngoba kuthiwa nje manje nibekiwe la kume wena la kumphakela umthakathi la sigcina udede ngokuqamsha nje umphathi sonke uphakela umthakathi sonke mhlawumbe kuyosala abantu enidla nabo kwezepolitiki kuphela kuyosala abantu enibondabonda nabo izwe kuphela sicheme nje udede nophakela futhi manje noma seningenzani ngoba manje lokhu nizama ngamazwi seniyoze nenze into yokwenza niyoze nizame nanokumbopha anoke nimbophe angazi ngoba phela ngiyanibona niyabhayiza nani kodwa kulungela kunankinga cha sicheme nje udede thina nophakela noma seningathini uNkulunkulu wami asisezwa lutho. Uyabona sifaka ama-earplug endlebeni asizwa lutho. Umuntu ukhuluma ngoPhawula Umthatha noma usungasho ini asisezwa thina. Yabona uPhakela, uNgizwe, uJesinta, uFele Mtwini, uMancinza, uNkulunkulu wami usixolele asisezwa.
This man from Limpopo is calling out other people from Limpopo to say, please wake up and smell the coffee, because a lot is going on and the only people that are fighting this issue that we are having are only Zulus. So can we please stand up and fight? But where I got lost is where he mentioned there are places where you can only find Tsongas and Venda. Remember, Venda people are also South Africans, and also Tsonga people are also South Africans. With this issue, I just feel like even Pedi people, if they want to be there, they can just get there. Remember, you don't just get there. You need qualifications for whatever that is happening there. You need some sort of qualification for you to get in other companies, right? So that's why I got lost. But with this one of foreign nationals being everywhere in these jobs which were supposed to be occupied by South Africans, I do get him. I do understand him very, very well, and I stand with him on this one. But anyway, guys, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think? For me, I feel like this might end up very bad. The fact that Venda people and Tsonga people are also brought up into these what can I say, like this situation or chaos that is happening, it is a lot. And Tsonga people and Venda people, they're not saying anything, they're just quiet. So why are they being mentioned? I don't get this one. I don't understand. Because if Venda people and Tsonga people are occupying places in South Africa, yes, they deserve to occupy those places because they are South Africans. If you are a Pedi, a Tswana, a Sotho, or whichever tribe, you can only get in those places if you have the qualifications. No one is stopping anyone. Those Venda people are not stopping anyone. Tsonga people are not stopping anyone. So that's where I got lost. I don't even want to lie to you. But anyway, say your thoughts down below in the comment section.